Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility. Here, select one-handed mode and turn on the button against access mini screen using gesture. Okay, turn on this button. You can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen, then sliding out of the screen. Okay, sliding inward and out of the screen. See here, sliding inward, outward. Yes, mini screen is now appeared. This is for right hand use. Okay, right handed mode. Okay, you can use one hand only for all features of your phone, for accessing all menu, all items in your phone. Just you can use one hand and it will be easy to use. Okay, see here, I use it with the right hand. Okay, for left hand, you can click and drag like this. Okay, this is left handed mode. Click and hold. Also you can move it anywhere on this screen. Okay, you can move it and place it to the upper area. Okay, if you want to have full screen mode, again you got to do sliding outward, inward and outward. Or close it. Okay, close it and it will go to the full screen display. Again I show 100 mode. See here. See here, from the left side also you can slide inward and take outward. Okay, again if you do it, it will go to the full screen, or you can close. Okay, or you can close like this. Okay, so this is the way you got to use for 100 mode. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.